What up, bro carts? What up, ho carts? Today I'm making a video. People have been asking for it for a long time. It's my room tour video, and I'm in my hallway right now, right outside of my door. Right here, you might notice this. This is just what Luis sleeps on because he lives here. But yeah, let's go into my room. Okay, also before this video starts, I filmed this interview with Kotaya, someone I've made videos with before. And it's like an hour-long video. It'll be the first link in the description if you want to watch it. But it's pretty cool because we really talked about a lot of stuff like girls, fashion, clothing, YouTube, just videos in general, all kinds of things. So that'll be linked below. You can check it out. Okay, this is my room. I've been in here for a long time, since I was 13 maybe. I used to have another room, but I moved in here. So it's been 7 years of me just being in this room. I never even thought about that. Yeah, I have it pretty set up. I'm mostly now just come here to sleep and make videos over here. So I want to start off with the walls and the floors of my room because I live in an old house. This house was built a long time ago. If you look at my walls, you'll see the paint is chipping.
I'm sick about that.
Yeah. You'll see we have an asbestos ceiling, which is probably the #1 cause of all my breathing problems. The floor down here is bad and chipping. Yeah, it's not a perfect room. There's a lot of things wrong with it. I still try to do my best to kind of make it my room and make it look good. So I still kind of set things up. And let's start off. Let's go through everything I've set up in my room to look cool. Here, this is kind of just all for function, and it has its own form from that function. This is where I make all my videos. You can see the camera setup and everything. This is where I make all my videos recently. This is kind of what you've been seeing behind me, all this background. I've been wanting to do this room tour though, just so you guys could see everything other than this static shot right here. And then if we move this way, you can see that I have my bed and my nightstand thing. I usually just sit here, think of videos, or sleep here. Then if we come this way, we got another little nightstand thing. I just have some stickers, pins, random. Yeah, it's kind of weird looking there because I don't know. I got my heater here because it gets cold in here. Just random stuff. I got a trunk with some camera stuff. I haven't.
Pop the trunk.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of boxes and books and stuff. Stuff I use sometimes, but not really. Move over here. We got this little table with camera gear on it, this microphone, a light.
Like a light.
I charge a lot of my batteries here. Just Polaroid camera. Basic. I'm gonna take a picture of this. We'll wait for this to
all white fit.
Then we can move on to my whole wardrobe closet area. If you've seen the PAQ best dressed video, you'll probably have seen a lot of this. It's kind of different now because I don't have as many clothes. But here I got my big coats that I wear sometimes. Here I got some smaller coats and shirts and stuff. Up here I got some hats. Yeah, I don't really wear hats a lot, but still got them up there. Then we move over here, got some beanies and some t-shirts. I'll be going in depth for a lot of these things later on, for an actual closet video. Got some shoes down here. Here I got some race cars and stuff, an old camera that someone gave me in high school.
Take a picture so you can remember this.
It's broken. It doesn't even have film in it. I got these shoes, which are pretty old, history behind them. The Stan Smith Pharrell customs. That's pretty much everything here. We move over here. We got my mirror, and I check the fit here sometimes. And then over here, we got the little record player stand. Got the record player because I like collecting records. Just vinyl is cool. We got the Lego F40 here. It's a pretty nice Lego. Yeah, then we got this camera bag that I use. I colored all over it. I feel it doesn't fit on me. It kind of looks weird to see a grown man wear a pink backpack. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if this is too girly or too weird looking.
I'll do a 360.
Let me know down below. But yeah, if you come back over here, we got some records down here, all my collection. We got some Hot Wheels, just some random stuff on the edges. It's a bunch of junk and stuff. A couple of things I kind of missed are the artwork I have up here. These are all sent in from bro carts. I used to get them a lot more before. I think people liked me more back then. Because I haven't gotten anything in a long time. Like, what happened, bro? Carts? What happened to the fan interaction? What happened to the paintings that I got sent all the time? Like, you see like all these things people send me. Got one over here too. This one is pretty amazing. It's Winston, me in the fur coat. The fur coat I still have. I actually haven't shown this in a video in a long time, but it's a custom-made fur coat I made last year. It might have been 2 years ago now. It doesn't fit right. I'm also wearing something underneath, but it's the overall idea. It took me like 3 weeks to make this entire thing, but it's still like a cool piece just to have. I think the whole point of this video is to talk about how my room isn't perfect, and like I would have it look nicer if I could. I'm still thankful to have a room. Like, I'm really happy to have it. It's not my dream room, but I still try to add little things like these lights, because like I feel like it makes it look cooler. Like, you got to do the best you can with what you got, and then work hard to get to the next level. Let's see like how that Polaroid came out. Hey, that actually looks sick. So that's my room. Let me know what you guys thought. Leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe to see more content, like the content that I make like out of this room, out of like this whole space. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.